Guys, I want to tell you, this book is for every person that has ever battled fear, ever battled insecurity, how the enemy will take your voice. You know, it's amazing. It comes out right at the same time as Lion King. And so when we wrote this book, you know, Amos chapter 3, verse 8 says, as the lion roars, so the prophet speaks. And a lot of us have lost our breath, and it takes breath to roar. You know that when a lion roars, you can feel it 5 miles away. It is time for the lions. The Bible says the wicked flee for no reason, but the righteous are as bold as lions. It doesn't matter where anybody is at in their walk with God or whatever they're going through in their life. This book is how to break fear off your family. Your pattern in there of how to break fear. When we wrote this together, God gave you a whole formula. There are people that have posters of that. There are teenagers and kids that have posters of that in their room, and they're no longer having nightmares. This book is for, you know, the opening chapter is, we didn't want to write this book because what you write about, you'll fight against. But it's got chapters in there about the hidden. It's got chapters in there about learning how to brag on God, to take back your thoughts and patterns. It's got a chapter in there, the difference between faith and trust. This is a bestseller, and we believe it's going to be, because it's going to transform thousands of lives. So do us a favor, go to restoretheroarbook.com, restoretheroarbook.com, and pre-order.
Pat and I get vulnerable. We get really transparent in this book about breaking fear in our own home, breaking fear in our own lives, and I really believe this book is going to make a huge difference. So if you do go on and order the book, please send us a message. Please let us know that you got it. And when you get it, just give us some feedback on how it's ministering to you.